Welcome back to this course. So this session we're going to talk about the WordPress settings. We are going to be able to set our WordPress website here. So we have to go to the settings menu to look at what we have there. So the first setting menu we are going to talk about is the general settings menu. So we are going to have to click the general settings menu and talk about it briefly. So this is the general settings menu. This is where you get to set your site title, the tagline, the WordPress address, the site address, and every other thing you see here. As you can see at the site title, the title of our website is Beloved Love the Web. If eventually you change this, it's going to change right here. So let's try and remove the web and see what it changes to. You save changes here and we're going to see what it changes to. So once we save the changes, just refresh and see what it changes to. As you can see, this is it right here. That's what the site title is. So what shows here is the site title. So we're going to change it back to Beloved Love the Web, and we have the tagline. A tagline is a few words that explain what the site is all about. Okay, so this is a tech blog. This is a tech blog by a tech blogger. Tech blog by Beloved. So this is a tagline for this website. So we're going to try and save that changes and see what it looks like. Once we save this, let's refresh and let's see what the tagline is right now. So it has changed to Beloved Love the Web, and if you notice this up, you see it's here, Beloved Love the Web. This is a tech blog run by Beloved. So that's your tagline right there. And the WordPress address, now you can change the address right here. This is our current address. We can change it if we want to, but we are not changing it. The site address is the same as the WordPress address. If we have a domain name, all this will change right away. So this is our administration email address. So everything that has to do with registration, contact form, and everything comes to this email address. This is the admin email address, and you can have it change if you want to change it. And this membership aspect is if you want to allow people to log into your website before they have access to your website, you can have it checked. But if you don't want that, you have to uncheck it. So we are going to uncheck this because it's not a login website. If you want to create a forum whereby people will have to log in, you have to check this. But we are not creating a forum. And new user default role, subscriber, administrator, author, let's just leave it at subscriber, and we're going to leave it like that. And the site language is English. You can change to any other language if you are not an English speaking person, or you are not living in an English speaking country, or your audience are not English speakers. So you can actually change your languages right here, but we are not doing that. And your time zone can be changed as well. Our time zone right here now is UTC +0. You can change it to any other time zone that fits into your region, and that's all about general. The date format can be changed. You can change to something like this, you can change to something like this, but we are leaving it at this. And the time format can be changed as well. And your week starts on Monday, but let's do it as Sunday. Our week starts on Sunday, so we are going to save that changes. That's all about general settings. We are going to go to the next settings in the next session, which is writing. I hope to see you there.